Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting up a user login PIN on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Accounts from the left sidebar. In Account Settings, select Sign-in Options. Here in Sign-in Options, click PIN, Windows Hello. You will need to enter your regular password first to continue. Then you can enter your desired login PIN and confirm it. You can click the checkbox if you want the PIN to include letters and symbols. Click OK to save the PIN. You will now be able to use that login PIN to sign in to your Windows account. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.